Have you ever tried to speak English but you couldn't speak? Sometimes you understand many English words. You also learned grammar rules in school, but when it is time to speak, nothing comes out. Your brain freezes, and suddenly you feel like a beginner again. You feel nervous and you cannot speak English. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not bad at English. You just never learned how sentences are actually built in real life. Today I will show you a simple way to build English sentences. Most learners try to build sentences like this. First grammar rules, then vocabulary, then translation from their native language. This becomes a big challenge. It creates stress. And this is not how people speak English confidently. Fluent speakers do not build sentences word by word. They build sentences using patterns. You need to think about your native language. How did you learn it when you were a child? You did not translate it from another language. Step 1. Start speaking with simple sentences. Every sentence needs a basic structure like subject plus verb plus object or extra information. This is your foundation. For example, I go to work, they are playing cricket, she likes coffee. Many learners skip this step. They try to speak fluently immediately, but fluency grows from simple sentences first. Step 2. Expand your sentences. When you learn words, do not memorize words alone. Memorize words from sentences. You can add in your sentence what, why, when, where, how. For example, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? When do I do this? Where do I do this? How do I do this? And you can expand like this. For example, I study English every day. I study English in the morning. I study English in the evening. I study English with YouTube videos. I study English with my friends. I study English to improve my career. I study English to get a better job. You can even say I study English with Kalim's YouTube channel. When you expand sentences like this, you can express many ideas easily. This is how fluent speakers express complex ideas without complicated grammar. Step 3. Use sentence patterns. Memorize useful sentence patterns. For example, I take the pattern I want to, and I add actions to it. I want to jump, I want to eat, I want to run, I want to think, I want to take action for speaking English. From the patterns, you can create unlimited sentences. Look, I have added this list to explain to you. Take a screenshot of these patterns, and with them, you can create thousands of sentences. Take these patterns and make the sentences. For example, make the sentence from Speak English. I want to speak English, or I wanna speak English. I would like to speak English, or I'd like to speak English. I am going to speak English, or I'm gonna speak in English. I can speak English. I have to speak English, or I have to speak English. I need to speak English, or I need to speak English. I like to speak English. I used to speak English. I'm trying to speak English. Let me speak English. Do you wanna speak English? Would you like to speak English? I think you can speak English. There is a secret of speaking English confidently. There are many English speaking lessons on my channel, Bolo English with Kalim.
Subscribe to my channel.
Watch the videos and improve your speaking English step by step. Step 4. Use real life English, not textbook English. You don't need to read too many textbooks for speaking English. The language in books is often different from real spoken English. For example, instead of saying, I'm extremely exhausted after physical exercise, a native speaker simply say, I'm beat or I'm tired for exercising. Instead of saying, I do not possess knowledge regarding that topic, people simply say, I don't know. Short sentences are powerful. So you can start speaking English from simple sentences. Step 5. Connect ideas naturally. Once you can make simple sentences, you can start connecting your ideas. Use simple connectors like and, but, because, so, then. For example, I was tired so I went to bed early. I like tea, but I don't like it at night. I work hard to make my videos useful because I want to help English learners. Step 6. Stop translating word by word from your native language and start thinking directly in English. When you translate every word, you hesitate and you often create incorrect sentences. Instead, train yourself to think in English. Use simple words, use simple patterns. Ask yourself one question. What is the easiest way to say this? Fluent speakers always choose simplicity. Look around you and describe your environment in English. For example, I'm standing right now, I'm doing exercise. There is a window in front of me. I need some fresh air, so I wanna go outside. But it's very noisy out there. The traffic is heavy, so I want to go and sit in the park for a while. Just talk to yourself. Do this for 5 minutes every day. Why this method works? Language is a skill, not just knowledge. If you want to learn swimming, you cannot learn it only by watching videos. You must go into the water. Then you learn step by step. Speaking English works the same way. The more sentences you create, the easier speaking becomes. Children speak broken sentences for many years, but they become fluent. Why? Because they speak consistently and without hesitation. You only need to start speaking. Start with simple sentences, add details, use patterns, speak every day, and step by step you will build your English fluency. If you liked this video, subscribe to my channel for more simple and practical English lessons. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.